Hola, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant beach culture of Mexico. Picture this: endless stretches of golden sand kissed by azure waters, palm trees swaying gently in the breeze, and a bright sun casting its warm glow. The intoxicating aroma of the sea fills the air, and the rhythm of the waves sets a soothing soundtrack. It's here on these picturesque Mexican beaches that we begin our adventure. And it all starts with learning the art of loading your boat for a day of adventure on the water. Loading your boat properly is essential for a safe and enjoyable day on the water. Now imagine you're standing on the vibrant shores of Mexico, armed with your gear, ready to tackle the turquoise waves. You've got your surfboards, your coolers, your safety equipment, but where does it all go? Well, that's where the art of loading your boat comes in. The key to this art lies in understanding weight distribution. Picture your boat as a seesaw. If all the weight is on one side, it will tip over. So, like a seesaw, you want to balance the weight in your boat. Place heavier items in the center to maintain stability and prevent capsizing. Lighter items should be spread out towards the bow and stern, creating an even distribution. Now let's hear from some seasoned boaters. They've navigated these waters, ridden these waves, and they've got some wisdom to share. One piece of advice that consistently comes up is the importance of securing your gear. As you bounce over waves or navigate around bends, you don't want your gear shifting, sliding, or worse, flying overboard. So use bungee cords or straps to secure larger items and stash smaller items in waterproof containers to protect them from any unexpected splashes. Remember, the journey on the water is as important as the destination. Properly loading your boat not only ensures a smoother ride, but also keeps you and your gear safe. Use bungee cords or straps to secure larger items and store smaller items in waterproof containers to protect them from water damage. Once your boat is loaded and secured, it's time to hit the water. As the boat glides off the sandy shore and into the glistening turquoise expanse, the adventure truly begins. The salty air fills your lungs, the rhythm of the waves matches the beat of your heart, and the Mexican sun warms your skin. As you journey out, perhaps you'll find a secluded cove, a perfect spot for a picnic lunch, or a sandy beach that is yours alone for the afternoon. Maybe you'll try your hand at surfing, riding the crest of a wave with the grace of a dolphin. Or you might drop a line and catch fish for your evening meal. Every moment on the water is a chance to make memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're catching waves, exploring hidden coves, or simply soaking up the sun, there's no shortage of adventures to be had along Mexico's stunning coastline. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn how to load your boat in Mexico. We've explored the vibrant beach culture, the importance of proper boat loading for a safe and enjoyable day on the water, and the exhilarating adventure that awaits once you're out there, cruising along the stunning Mexican coastline. Remember, it's all about balance. Distributing weight evenly in your boat is key to maintaining stability and ensuring a smooth ride. Heavy items should find a home in the center, while lighter ones can take up positions towards the bow and stern. And don't forget to secure your gear properly to prevent it from shifting during transit. Bungee cords, straps, waterproof containers, these are your best friends when it comes to protecting your items from water damage and keeping everything in place. We've also heard from experienced boaters, sharing their wisdom and tips for an efficient boat loading process. Take these insights to heart, as they come from those who've walked, or rather sailed, this path before. But most importantly, once your boat is loaded and secured, it's time to let loose and enjoy the adventure. Whether you're catching waves, exploring hidden coves, or simply soaking up the sun, there's a world of experiences waiting for you along Mexico's stunning coastline. And this is just the beginning. Our journey together will continue, as we have many more tips, tricks, and travel adventures to share with you. So, if you found this video helpful and you're eager for more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best travel tips and adventures from around the globe. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we continue to explore the world's most beautiful destinations. Who knows where our journey will take us next? But one thing is for sure, it's bound to be an exciting ride. Until next time, feliz viaje.